Welcome. Today we're exploring a critical topic, the human factor, specifically how operator errors contribute to boiler failures. Boiler failures can lead to significant consequences in industrial settings, often with the human element being a major contributing factor. Boiler systems are the backbone of many industrial operations, providing essential power and heat. Their reliable operation is paramount. Human factors encompass a range of issues, from direct operator errors to systemic problems like fatigue, all of which can compromise boiler safety and performance. Let's start by looking at some of the most common mistakes operators make that lead to serious boiler issues. A fundamental issue is often inadequate training or insufficient knowledge, leading operators to make critical mistakes when troubleshooting or operating complex systems. Skipping routine maintenance and inspections can leave underlying issues undiscovered until they escalate into a major failure. Misinterpreting gauge readings or ignoring alarms, perhaps due to desensitization or lack of understanding, is a direct path to catastrophic failures. Beyond individual mistakes, systemic issues within the workplace environment can also dramatically increase the risk of operator errors. Fatigue, often exacerbated by long shifts or poor scheduling, compromises concentration and decision-making, setting the stage for errors. Poor communication, especially during shift changes or complex procedures, can lead to misunderstandings and dangerous operational gaps. Rushing or taking shortcuts, often driven by production pressure, bypasses safety checks and increases the likelihood of critical mistakes. When human errors occur, the consequences are far-reaching and often devastating. The most immediate results are equipment damage and expensive downtime, which severely impacts productivity and financial stability. More gravely, operator errors introduce significant safety risks, potentially leading to severe injuries or even fatalities. The good news is that these errors are preventable with the right strategies and investments in our workforce. Investing in comprehensive and recurrent operator training, including hands-on simulation, is vital for building competence and confidence. Standard operating procedures must be crystal clear, easily accessible, and regularly reinforced to ensure consistency in operation and maintenance. Automation and advanced monitoring systems can act as critical safety nets, reducing reliance on manual data interpretation and alerting staff to potential anomalies. Ultimately, recognizing the importance of the human element, supporting our operators, and fostering a culture of safety is the best defense against boiler failures.